Hey, what's up guys, your boy Tone. Welcome to another video. Today I want to talk about my new gaming laptop. ROG, man, has landed. The Strix. Alright. Get this plastic off. Ports, IO. You could change this to the red thing too. I think I'm gonna change it to black, or there's a silver. It should come with some extra ones. One hand test. Yeah. Alright, let's boot this thing up. Box. So, got the power brick. Let's set that up. Changed it. I like the silver. Yeah, I like the silver. Just breaks it up a little. There must be manuals that if you're a guy, you're against the laws to read it. No, not here. I thought there was something in there. Let's have this side. Maybe maybe the box is if you get optional stuff. Keep the boxes. I always resell my stuff really well. That's where the cables were. Man, this is intricate. Yeah, I don't see anything else. What's over here? This part's perplexing. Well, let's boot it up. Oh, okay. Let's go. Oh, whoa, Shinobi. Shinobi. I like that sound. All right. And what's crazy with the RGB stuff? I'm just gonna make it like white. Like, look. I don't do all the colory stuff. Oh, shit. Yo, let's see without the light. Yeah. Got him.
Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help.
Oh, what up?
A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi.
All right,
there.
let's get in and
PC ready for all
this light show on the way.
Just bought a gaming laptop. I got the Asus Strix. Well, the Asus ROG Strix G15. You know these long names, man. and computers, there's always these long names. Yeah, so I got the 15-inch model. Right? This is a really cool gaming PC. What makes this one special? It's one of the few all AMD systems, right? So I got a Ryzen 9 packed in there, and then I got the Radeon 6800M. So that's pretty cool. So it's probably the best configuration you can get, all AMD for a laptop right now. Right, so with the ROG, right, it's basically guaranteed that it can play AAA games. That's their whole thing right there. So you get it, you get a modern PC right there, modern gaming laptop, it's guaranteed to play all the AAA games. I can definitely say, yeah, I've gotten, I would say, high to like ultra settings on like every game. On all the games I've played Destiny 2, I've played Black Desert, what are some other ones? Yeah, I got Paladins on there, I got Warframe, got Blast Unleashed, Elder Scrolls Online, Final Fantasy 14, even some oldies, Alan Wake, Bioshock, Black Mesa, Dark Sector, going way back, Days Gone. But for like more challenging games, obviously you guys want to know, like for the more challenging games, I would say with Days Gone I've gotten upwards of 100 frames. This is high settings too. I don't really go low. As long as I get more than 100 frames, I'm fine. So I don't tinker. It's pretty much high settings. I don't play anything on medium. I got The Witcher 3 that I play on high settings. That one, it's an older title. It stays around probably like 70 frames, like really high. Days Gone was like in the hundreds. That was really good. Days Gone, yeah, and that's a tough game too. That's a challenging game with graphics, the open world. Yeah, and Destiny 2 runs great. I average like probably 120 frames with high settings. By default, everything's like high and up. Yeah, so I've got no complaints with it. Yeah, I've had no issues. Just do your updates. That's the thing. Once you get it, do your updates. Make sure all that's up to date, because some games are kind of tailored to the Intel side. So with the AMD, just make sure you're updating constantly. But yeah, other than that, everything has been great, man. The build quality is really good. Even though there's some plastic at the inside, the clamshell is a little like aluminum, so it's not too bad. The RGB lights are pretty cool. I just put it on the one that alternates the colors, and you can go to software and add your own things like that. Yeah, it's great. The only some downsides is the storage. To keep the price down, I got this on sale. I paid $1,500, but regularly it's like $1,650, like near $1,700, which is still a good deal. Ryzen 9, 8 cores, at a 300 hertz display too. It's 1080p, but 300 hertz displays. It's crazy. The response, like a Warframe or play, the response time is. I had to tone it down. It was so fast. Yeah, and it's got liquid metal cooling. Yeah, it's really cool. The sound is okay too. The speakers aren't even half bad for like a Windows computer. Speakers are definitely not even half bad, but I did get a Logitech, some Logitech speakers, just to bolster the sound, because I'm a sound guy. I gotta have really good sound when I'm playing like my solo games. I gotta have a really good, like a theater sound, and no webcam. Even though it's not a huge thing with like a gaming laptop, just wanted to let you know, no webcam in the laptop space. It's things are like $2-3 grand, you know, and this performs on par with a 3080, like the Nvidia cards. Like it's on par with that. Just like, you know, it's gonna beat your 3060s, you know, right there with a 3070. So, and you're paying a lot more for those laptops. And I'll post some like pricings and stuff with the airing of this video, but yeah, it's definitely a good deal, man. So if anyone is interested, check back. I got mine at Best Buy, but there's even other models come with Intel if you just like love Intel. So there's a lot of different configurations, but the only thing is SSD, man. 512, I can barely install like major games. So I would honestly say, man, if you get it, you might as well just order the upgrade. And what's cool about this, you can keep the 512 that comes with it. It comes with an extra slot for adding memory. So I ordered a 2 terabyte SSD that I'm getting. Just make sure it fits and it's the right one. There's no issues right there with all, you know, just make sure it's compatible. But I'll post the stuff I'm getting too. I'll post the ones I got, because I know those are gonna fit. I double check those with forums and through Asus and all that. But man, I'm telling you, it's been a good laptop, man. I've been gaming a lot more. I had no issues. Just keep your updates and all that, you know, just your regular PC stuff. And it's gonna be a free upgrade to Windows 11 that's coming out near the end of the year. All right, cool. So let me know if you guys interested in a PC, or you can still do your cloud gaming right there, especially if you want battery life to last. You could definitely just use a lot of it for cloud gaming, especially that 300 hertz screen doesn't hurt at all. That really helps with cloud gaming also. So yeah, let me know, man, in the comments. All right, this is Rick Totem out.